Hello, I'm going to show you how to profile your application using Performance Validator. First, we need to launch the target application, so click the rocket icon. Choose Launch Native and .NET Applications. Click Browse and browse to the application we want to profile. Click Launch. Instrumentation progress is shown in the top left of Performance Validator. Pretty soon your application is running. I'm just going to change some parameters here just to exaggerate the sorting effect. On the call stack tab, what you're shown is a real-time call stack for the selected thread in the list of threads above. For the main thread, we're going to do heapsort, and we're going to do mergeSort. And if I move around a bit, you can see as I move over the menus, the call stack changes just a little bit. And wait for the program to finish. And the statistics tab shows us the collected data. So if we initially look at them through the perspective of functions, so I've got function there and function as a percentage next to it. So we can see here that the native app constructor is quite expensive. We can ignore that, it's a one-time call and it's just naming the thread. Populate array is quite expensive. That populates array with a fixed sequence of random numbers. You've got heap filter, which is part of the heap sort, and again heap sort there. This isn't really telling us the whole story though, so let's look at the children. Now if we look at the children, we've got some of the same ones at the top. Then we've got the entry point from the message map for mergeSort and heapsort. We've got mergeSort internals there and heapsort internals here. If we look at the totals, again it's similar but it's different. We've got mergeSort, populate arrays, heapsort, mergeSort internals, and heapsort internals. Moving on to the relations, click refresh. If you click an item in the top panel, it shows you the functions called by it in the second panel. On the bottom panel, it shows you the function that called the function in the top panel. So as we change what we're looking at in the top panel, you'll see the panels below change. It's really popular with some people. My preference is to use the call tree and the call graph. So we go to the call tree. You can see here native app is at the top level. And they've got dispatched message, which all the message map stuff goes through, so it's not surprising it's at the top. So if we expand that, we can see that we've got the mergeSort and heapsort entries. So expand the heapsort, and we can see that it calls populate array, and then heapsort, which itself calls heap filter. Look at the mergeSort, that calls mergeSortCore, and it's a recursive call, and it keeps on calling that, and eventually when it finishes calling mergeSortCore, it calls mergeSortDoMerge. Populate array is also in there, but it's not quite as expensive as the actual sorting algorithm. Now the call tree shows you every call that Performance Validator has seen. If you find this a bit overwhelming, you'd like a slightly simpler view, look at the call graph. It's the same information, but distilled down to the minimal amount of information you need. So instead of you seeing lots and lots of recursive calls, you'll just see one entry for that particular recursive call. So if we go there, sort call, it's mentioned that it's recursive and that's it. There's no more entries for it. So it's a slightly simpler way of looking at the data. Moving on to analysis, you can choose a query type and choose a subquery value. So here we've got a query types class, so we want to know about a particular class. So I'm going to choose mainframe, click search, and here's all the data we've got for different functions or methods in the mainframe. So the top two happen to be the two sorts we've performed, so heapsort there and the mergeSort there. So Performance Validator, simple and easy performance profiling. Thank you very much.